Okay, so I'm about to watch Supernatural, and this bird, this red robin, like 10 times he's 10 times he's ran into this window. Actually, the other side. And then I thought he left. Look at this. This bird is so dumb. It keeps on going into the window. It wants to come in.
Come in.
Ready?
There.
And it did it like 10 times on the other side. Then I went down and I thought it left. And then I hear it knocking on this window.
Why are you teasing the red robin?
I don't know, but this guy is... Gonna do it again? Let's see. I wonder if he sees me. Oh. Let's see. Oh, is he leaving? Finally? Okay. Wait, let me back up. Maybe he sees me. There it goes. Oh! There he is.
You didn't even hear it.
Yeah. Keeps on going in here. Trying to come in here. Let me back up. I think it sees me. Okay. Looks like he's finally learned. Man, that was a lot.